I have posted a review of the budget-friendly Casio W218H in the past, and it's one of my favorites. After several modifications and a broken strap, I think I need a new one. Casio recently released many new colors, including army green, negative display, and more. They also released the W218HC with soft colors like light gray, medium blue, light pink, and pink. Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This is the W218HC 8AVDF, one of the new fresh color series from the W218H. I never thought I'd wear a white or very light gray watch, but after seeing how cool Kikuo Ibe Sang's square white G-Shock is, I changed my mind. The dimensions are still the same, 44.4mm lug to lug, 43.2mm wide, and 11mm thick, with a light weight of 37 grams. The styling is tough and sporty, the strap pattern looks great, and the overall design is like a simpler G-Shock. This model has 50 meters water resistance, which is more than enough for daily usage. It's wearable around sinks, swimming, and in shallow waters, but not for snorkeling or scuba diving. It is powered by a CR2016 battery and has a long battery life of 7 years under normal usage. The case is made from resin with a classic popular square shape. The edges are cut and finished smoothly. It also has some protruding sides to prevent accidental button presses. On the front, there is no protruding part to protect the resin crystal from bumps, making it prone to scratches. The module code is 3224 featuring 3 buttons. The top left is start-stop, which also switches between 12-hour and 24-hour formats. The bottom left is the mode button, used to move through modes, and on the right side is the light button. On the back, it uses a stainless steel backplate with 4 screws, engraved with specifications as usual. The bands are polyurethane resin with a plastic buckle, the same model and design as the trusty AE1000. So if it breaks, you can easily get a replacement, although it might be difficult to get this color variant. The connection uses an 18mm spring bar with a flexible connection. The bands are flexible with a wave pattern that helps air circulation, making it comfortable to wear every day. On the face, it has a light gray color theme, giving a modern and minimalist impression. The display shows the day and date at the top and the hour, minute, and second in the main display. For legibility, the numbers are bold and easy to read at usual angles, as usual with the 3224 module. The backlight is bright, positioned on the left with an amber color, but lacks the afterglow function. The watch has 4 modes: timekeeping, alarm, stopwatch, and adjust mode. It doesn't have advanced features like a timer, dual time, world time, or snooze alarm. The beep sound is the same for all mode changes, unlike other models that have a high-tone beep for the timekeeping mode. In timekeeping mode, it shows the day and date, but not the month. You can switch from 12 to 24-hour format by pressing the top left button, and it is accurate to about 30 seconds per month. The watch has an auto calendar but needs to be adjusted every 4 years for leap years. In alarm mode, the watch has one daily alarm and an hourly signal. You can choose which features to activate by pressing the top left button. In the stopwatch mode, it shows up to 1/100th of a second, start and stop with the top left button, and reset with the right button. For split time, press the start button, then use the right button to split. And yes, the right button will also activate the backlight. In the adjust mode, you can set the time and calendar, but here you cannot set back or decrease the number. You will need to increase the input until it cycles back. The menu is basic and simple, like many other 3-button digital Casio watches, with variations in button position and display layout. This watch is very comfortable to wear. It is light, slim, and the strap grips well without hanging over my wrist. By the way, Casio might be targeting female users with some of the new color variations, but please take note that the size of this watch is medium. The price is around the same as the W218H, which is great. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the good side, number 1, affordable price. At only around $16 US, it provides excellent value for money. And then number 2, attractive design. It is available in beautiful colors that appeal to different tastes. And then versatility, it is suitable for casual wear and can be paired with various outfits. Number 4, functional features includes alarm, stopwatch, and time format. Number 5, it has decent durability. It is able to withstand daily wear. And then number 6, the water resistance is okay. With 50 meters rating, you can wear it for many activities. And then number 7, comfortable fit. It is lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended periods. And then number 8, it is easy to operate. On the other side, there are also things to consider. Number 1, the bright color scheme might not be the best for contact with rust, oil, soil, sand, etc. And then number 2, the size is medium. Please keep that in mind. And then number 3, it has no protective bezel and it uses resin crystal, so it is prone to scratches. Number 4, temporary backlight. The light only stays on as long as we press the button, which may be less convenient compared to models with afterglow effect. Number 5, the light button usage. You will need to press the light button to change some of the menu, and it will also causes the backlight to flash, and that can be annoying. And then number 6, for the adjustment, you cannot go back when setting the time, alarm, and so on. You will need to increase the number until it cycles back. And then number 6, basic construction. So in conclusion, the Casio W218HC is a reliable, affordable, and versatile digital watch, ideal for everyday casual wear. And I would recommend this watch for casual use, students, outdoor enthusiasts, and minimalists due to its affordable price, durability, stylish design, and user-friendly features. And that's it for today's review. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more watch reviews and tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a great day.